I grew up in a family affected by mental illness. I didn't really know much about it at the time. It was just there. It was kind of normal, but I was really embarrassed about it. And only in the last 4 or 5 years, with the work of the public health campaigns, that it started to become more open. I started to read. I started to ask questions, and I started to become more self-aware. And as I got older, I also started to see stress, anxiety, depression, and other mental illness in friends, colleagues, and other family members. Everyone knows someone with a mental illness. And I wanted to do something about it. I want to change the meaning of mental health. I want people to think of mental fitness just like they do their physical fitness. Mental fitness can be just like physical fitness. People are proactive about their physical fitness. They're positive about their physical fitness. They talk about it and they're proud of it. People aren't like that with mental fitness. And so that's what I want to change. People would tell me, what can I do about developing my mental fitness? What can I do to try and avoid developing anxiety and depression? Won't work for everyone, but what can I do to be happier, more fulfilled, more successful, have better relationships, and get more meaning out of life? I wanted to put together the things that I'd learnt, some of the things that had helped me, and put them together into something that's going to help you build your mental fitness. That's why I created the Resilience Agenda. The first thing I've decided to do is to develop everyday 365-day planner. It's a positive diary for people who want to develop their mental fitness. It's jam-packed with all sorts of ideas, tips and strategies about how you can build your mental fitness. And it's there to remind you each and every day about the kind of life you want to build. The question I get asked the most is, why are you bringing out a diary? With smartphones and computers these days. Part of the reason why people are so anxious and stressed these days is because they're spending so much time in their phones. The other reason why we're bringing out a diary, it's something you're going to refer to every day. It's something you can carry around with you. And it's something that's going to help you build your mental fitness. Resilience is the ability to withstand shock and to bounce back from setbacks. And that's what life keeps throwing at us. And that's what I wanted to develop through mental fitness, to prepare yourself, prepare your mind for what happens in life.